Okay, it is time for some peach buttermilk biscuits because I could not stop eating these things, you guys. They are dangerous. Let's make them. The first thing we're going to do is add our all-purpose flour into a large bowl. Throw in some baking powder, a little bit of salt, and some powdered sugar to kind of sweeten it on up a little bit. We're going to whisk this all around to make sure that everything is all combined and stuff. Next, we're going to add in some cold butter flavored shortening because I love it. I love it. And we're going to add in a little bit of grated butter. Now, if you want to use all butter, you can. I always get that question, can I use all butter? I don't want to use shortening. Yeah, you can. But that shortening makes it taste so good. Okay, so now that you have it all mixed in like that is how it should look, all crumbly. We're going to throw in our peaches. Yep, I'm using frozen peaches. Make sure that they are thawed out and you press out as much of the moisture as you can. Okay, so now we're going to add in our super cold buttermilk. I love buttermilk and biscuits. It's just like goes together so well. So you're gonna have a nice wet dough. Don't be alarmed because this dough is like super wet and sticky, but yeah, that sticky biscuit dough, it makes for the best biscuits. Okay, so we're gonna plop our dough right onto our floured work surface. Flour those hands up, sprinkle some flour over the dough, but only use that flour sparingly. Okay, you don't want to use too much flour. I'm gonna fold this into thirds and then just kind of press it out a little bit. Need to add more flour, add it a little bit, and then just continue to fold it into thirds about 2 to 3 times. You know, I fold it, turn it, fold it, turn it, and this will give us those nice little layers that just look so beautiful in biscuits. Okay, so finally go ahead and press it out into a 1-inch thick rectangle. We're gonna go ahead and dump our cutter into some flour and then just drive it on down into your dough. Don't twist, okay? Don't twist that cutter. Just go straight down and pull it back up, and here's our biscuits. They look good. They're so cute. I got about 6 biscuits. I use a 3-inch cutter, so you can get more if you use a smaller cutter. Now we're gonna brush this with some egg wash, just some eggs mixed with a little bit of milk just to get it nice and golden when we bake it. We're gonna pop it into the oven 450 for about 18 minutes. When it comes out, immediately brush it with some melted butter. I do like 2 to 3 brushings of melted butter because I like it. It's so good. I love that butter on there. And next, once the butter has absorbed, go ahead and add that vanilla glaze. When the glaze have hardened up, add on another layer. I add on like 3 to 4 layers of this vanilla glaze because it just tastes so good. And I also sprinkle on some little peaches on top because it looks pretty. And then drizzle on more glaze to kind of lock those peaches into place. And once that glaze hardens up, you are done. You have the best peach buttermilk biscuits. If you make it, let me know how you like it. I also have strawberry biscuits and blueberry biscuits as well, so check out those videos, and I will see you guys next week. Later.